see, this is the height. This body is dropped, means what? It is having potential energy at this height. When you
Okay.
release it, what happen? It will be reach here. What happen? It is having kinetic energy here. Again, this is spring, it is get compressed. Means why? Because it will be impact. It will be platform will be get compressed and it will become in this final position. Am I
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So this is the displacement of spring X.
Okay. Okay.
ठीक? Okay. This X is compressed by the who is compressing this energy,
This energy. So this potential energy is converting into kinetic energy.
and ultimately it is going to into the
Into
spring.
yes.
Ultimately where it is going to into the spring.
Spring. Okay.
So how much potential energy he has lost? Please tell me that. How much lost this potential energy?
This body.
Yes, this object, this ball.
So H plus X mg.
X plus S, very nice.
H plus X mg because it's
This is
okay.
the energy where it is going
Into the kx.
into the
But no,
K.
but first it goes into kinetic energy, right?
No need. Finally, you see, na, from end to end, you see, na.
Okay.
Once it
So
is
it
K. No,
goes
no, no.
into the displacement x
One minute,
and
1 minute, 1 minute. It goes. After that, it will be more compression will be not there. It will then again it will bounce back, na. Correct or not? But
yes.
at the time of final compression, it is momentarily stop. Then only it will going to bounce back. Am I right or not?
Okay. Okay.
You just imagine. Just think one side, one then you think you are having one spring and you have just dropped the ball on this. Then
Yes.
correct,
Yes.
na? So
And then it's gonna come up.
that leave it. We want one just what is the energy where it is comes here to here. Now you can tell me and do the question.
Uh, wait, but it's converting into the energy for the spring, right? So it's converting the potential energy is converting into the
Elas
K.
Elastic potential energy of spring.
Yes, kx, right?
Kx half
Ah,
k.
k. Yes, yes. Half kx square.
Yes, elastic potential energy of the,
Uh-huh.
you have missed one, elastic potential energy.
So then it's going to be mg h plus x is equal to 1.5 kx
X is how
square.
much? Not, don't know. X is you don't know.
X, I don't know.
H is height is,
No, X I know. X is 10 centimeter.
yes, spring is 10. X is 10 centimeter. You don't take centimeter. You don't.
Yes, yes. So it's 0. So M 1 kg on
No, no.
0.
First X is 0.1 and H is 0.4. So how much? 0.1 plus 0.4.
0.1. Yes, yes.
Half.
Half k and x is 0.1 square.
Hmm.
So it's going to be 0.5 on 10. 5 is equal to 1.5 k on 0.01. K is equal to 10 divided on 0.01, so it's equal to 1000.
Yes. Answer is there. Yes, it is there. Newton
Meter, Newton
meter.
per meter. Uh-huh.
K I told Newton per meter or Newton meter?
No, it's Newton per meter because it's minus 1
Minus 1. Yeah, you are right.
and minus 1.
Yeah.
N on M minus 1.
Yeah. So good question, na?
Yes, yes. I would not do this on my own.
No, you are not. No, basically some practice is required, na? You cannot this one. Very good questions it was. Correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Would you like to some or more good questions, or shall I go for the topics? Let me see the what is the topics is there now. What is
Maybe,
that?
I don't know, maybe we can do one more question. I don't know how hard this question. I think for me it's kind of hard to imagine sometimes.
No, no, no. It will comes to the practice only. Please don't think that anything I am just one. If I am have yeah I have sent.
Okay, should I move down? Okay.
You move to next page. No problem.
Okay.
You rotate it. Otherwise, both we. Ha, yeah.
Okay.
Question.
Question 44.
Yes. Question number 40. Very good question. Aims means it is earlier it was aims for the All India Institute of Medical Science, Delhi. Very.
Particle mass is subjected to a force which varies with distance from the figure size. I did this question.
You did.
It's like a very similar question I did. A particle mass is no. I think I did it. Let me just
Let's
mass
think over, na.
to a force which varies with distance. Determine its velocity at. We need to find velocity. No, I didn't do this question. It starts its journey from the west. Okay.
Questions. A particle of mass m.
So
Okay,
M
let us
is
read it.
equal to.
A particle of mass m 0.1 kg is subjected to a force. Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
This force is given as a diagram. Subjected to a force which varies with distance. Force is not constant.
Okay. Yes.
Force is
Force is a variable.
variable. Which formula you have to apply?
Differentiation.
F
F is
dx.
equal to dx.
Correct na?
Yes.
Hmm. And the force diagram it is given here. Correct?
Yes.
And they are asking what is the start from the journey raised to
To 12.
12. Correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
So please tell me how you will do. Any idea?
I mean, I need to find velocity, right? So force is equal um, displacement on this is work is equal displacement. Power is equal. I'm just thinking where velocity, where is it connected?
Yes, you have to think that way. How work done is connected with the velocity. And see my if you don't have confusion, you please see my video. Just you see. If I apply the force, what he will get this mobile?
Acceleration.
What acceleration? Acceleration. Again, you think it. If I give the force here apply this, what it will go?
Kinetic energy.
Yes. Now you have gone this way. See what is the small things. It is just if you think na, then it is very easy. So
Okay.
EFD. Okay, I am not giving the hints now. You think.
So F is equal to D on X. No, dx
Work
Four.
done, not work. Work done is equal to
Work done.
entire area under the force versus displacement graph. Is
Yes,
it
so
clear?
it's 4 on 10 and then 4 on 10 again.
Please tell me here how many diagrams are there. One triangle, one
80.
rectangle, and
Yes,
one.
so 2 triangles and then
What is
two
the area of the
triangles
two triangles? Can you tell me?
is going to be 40.
Half into 4 into 10 plus this rectangle area 4, 8
4
minus
on
4.
10
Yes, 40
and
plus
then again
half
one and a
into.
half 4 on 10, so it's 80 joule.
Yes, you are
All
right.
of this together. So what is so then this is the work done, and then work done is equal to m is converted into m v square divided on 2.
This is the work done 80 joule and it
Yes,
must be equals to half. M is how much is given?
v
0.
square.
V is how much?
1 second. 2 on 80 and m is 0.1. 0.1816, so 4. They don't have answer 4. I did some mistake.
160 divided by 0.1, na?
Yes.
So 160 divided by 1
Ah,
is equal
uh-huh.
to 1600.
Yes. Yes. I did wrong here.
Very good question. This is a very intelligent question.
So it's 40.
Yeah.
40. So two
Springs
springs have
have
force.
force constant K1 and K2. K1 is given.
Yeah.
K1 is greater than K2. Two
Mm-hmm.
springs are there.
So yes, and then there's work done on the
Which on
springs.
which spring more work done?
Yes, when their length are increased by the same amount. So x1 is equal
No,
to
when
x2.
their length are increased by the same amount. Correct na?
Mm-hmm.
Means their x is increasing by the same amount. K1 is greater. So energy store is which one is more?
K1.
K1 because of the K1 is more. Correct na? Yes.
Yes. And they are stretched with the same force.
Yes. This question is important.
So force is equal to Kx. So
This
stretch.
question is very important.
So F1 is equal to F2.
Hmm.
So K1 x1 is equal to K2 x2. Which
See, the
spring?
F is same. It means K1x is equal to K2
But you don't know
x2.
that x is the same. Yes. This is yes.
Is cannot be same, na? X
Yes.
cannot be
That's
same.
what I'm saying. It's not same. Yes.
X is cannot be same.
Mm-hmm.
So
So K1.
what is the energy formula? Energy for this one, first spring, half
One and a
K1
half kx square 1.
x1 square. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Now for another one, what is the formula?
1/2 k2 x2 square. Um.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Can I put x2 is equal to how much?
X2.
X2 is equal to, from this equation, what I can put it?
You can put that 1/2 k2 is going to be k1 x1 divided on k2 square.
Yes. Can I do it? Is equal
Mm-hmm.
to half K2 into K1 square x1 square divided by K2
Mm-hmm.
square half K2 square, correct na?
Mm-hmm.
So what happened? K2 cancel na?
Yes, but there's square, so it's going to be 1/2 k1 x1 square, and then k2 divided on k2.
Yes. Now you have to decide which one is bigger. Half K1 square x1 square is bigger or half K1 K2 x1.
Which energy is bigger?
Yes.
K1, K1. I mean, K1 is bigger than K2, but K1 is square, so the first one, I guess. No, I don't know actually. 1/2 we can just remove because it's the same.
See, good. Like this you have to think. See, the half we can remove.
Yes, K1 we
X1
can
square
remove.
we have to remove.
X1 square we can remove, so it's going to be 1. This
K1 and K1, 1 K1 is removed. So it is going to be
K1
1
and
or
K2.
K1 by K2. Now in this two you have to decide which one is bigger.
Yes, K1 is bigger than K2,
So it
so
is greater than 1. Is it
yes,
clear?
yes.
So where energy will be more? In this
On the
one.
second one.
Yeah, see, so simple. You have started na cancelling. You have got the right track.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, so say second one. Even though the K2 is smaller, but okay, yes, I understand. Yes.
K2 is smaller. That is the reason K1 by K2 is greater than 1.
Yes, so even though K2 is smaller, but then the force or the work done is going to be bigger on K2.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, next.